Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Euclid Mathematics. I observed a lot of students who thought it was easy to get the square root of perfect square number. But when it came to determining the square root of an odd number or a fractional number, most of the students tried to avoid these calculations. We adopt two ways for these calculations. In general, logarithmic calculations and simple calculations. Even though majority of learners are unfamiliar with logarithms. So in this video, I will show you basic approach to dealing with numbers like square root for odd integers or fractional value using simple trick. So let's get party started. We all know that the square root of perfect square number like square root of 4. So square root of 4 we know that it is 2. Again square root of 16 it is 4. So it's quite easy to find out the square root. But when it comes to odd numbers, for example root 3, again root 7, again root 21, it seems quite difficult. But if we go through my result, we can find out the square root of this number very easy. Or the fractional number like square root of 3.1784. Again square root of 7.173. So these are quite difficult to find out their square root. So for finding such a square root, we need to remember one short result. That one is square root of any number which is equal to square root of a, which is equal to a plus b divided by 2 times root b. So this is the short result. So let's do some examples. The formula for finding square root is square root of a, which is equal to a plus b divided by 2 times root b. So we need the value for a and b to get the value for square root of 21. So as we observe square root of 21 and square root of a, that means the value for a it comes 21. Okay, so the remaining part it is here the value for b. So here we have to choose the value of b very carefully because we want the perfect square number is the value for b. So perfect square number means the number nearest from 21 and it is a perfect square. So we all know that the nearest number which is from 21 it is a 25 and we know that the square root of 25 is a 5. So I got the value for a and b. So now let's do the calculation. So square root of 21 which is equal to a plus b, that means 21 plus 25 divided by 2 times root b means 2 times square root of 25. Okay, so 21 plus 25 it is a 46. Okay, and 2 times square root of 25 2 means 2 multiplied by 5. So 46 divided by 2 into 5 it is a 10. Okay, 2 5s are 10. So 46 divided by 10 it's quite easy to find out. Okay, it comes 4.6. So our approximate answer it is a 4.6 for square root of 21. It is quite easy to get the square root. Okay, so now it is the odd number. Now we have to go for other example. Which is here next example. It is the fractional part. Okay, so it seems quite difficult, but when we go through our result, it is quite easy to find out the square root of this number. So here we have square root of 3.1784. So similar like above example, we consider the value for a which is a 3.1784. And now next job is here to find out the value for b and which is the closest value which is a perfect square and we all know that it is a 4. Okay, so I got the value for a and b. Now go through our formula. So square root of a means square root of 3.1784 which is equal to a plus b divided by 2 times root b. That means 3.1784 plus b 4 divided by 2 times square root of b. Okay, so addition it comes 3.1784 plus 4. That means it is the 7.1784 divided by 2 multiplied by the square root of 4 it is a 2. That means the multiplication here 2 into 2 4. Okay, so numerator here 7.1784 divided by 4. So it is quite easy to find out the division for these two numbers. So it comes approximately 1.7946. Okay, so this is the square root of 3.1784. This is the square root of 3.1784. Similarly, you can try more example like example number 3 and 4 and comment me the answer below.